Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Meta stock? Let's dive deep into Meta and provide you with a more detailed analysis. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, October 25, 2023. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is not something you want to do. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 25, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a sell candidate with a score of -1.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation and observe how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.66% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges between -0.736% and 14.43%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 238.8% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 238.8% and 303.6%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $1,014.80 to $1,208.90 after a year. Our latest update for Meta brings some important news. The headline reads, Meta stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, the Meta stock price dropped by 4.17%, going from $312.55 to $299.53. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 4.03%, reaching a low of $298.84 and a high of $310.88. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.63%. While the volume of shares increased by 13 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $9.12 billion worth of Meta shares were bought and sold, with 30 million shares exchanged. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $330.54, while the lowest was $88.09. Currently, the price is 9.38% or $31.01 below the 52-week high, and 22.06% or $84.80 below the all-time high on September 1, 2021, when it reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Citigroup gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Oppenheimer also gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Additionally, Seaport Global rated Meta as a buy with an initialize action. Guggenheim also gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action on the same day. Furthermore, on Friday, October 20, 2023, Bank of America Securities rated Meta as a buy with a hold action. According to analysts, Meta stock receives a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as a strong buy, while the price to book is also considered a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Meta stock. Currently, there are few to no positive signals from a technical standpoint. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the stock. When the stock corrects upwards, it may encounter resistance at the price levels of $312.65 and $307.91. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it could indicate a buy signal. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -8.63% so far. We may see further downward movement until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal currently. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that the stock requires closer monitoring. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 10 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 31 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 201 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 193 days ago. Make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we will be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta's price finds support at $298.57, which means that this level could present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is tested, we might see an upwards reaction in the stock price. It's important to note that Meta has average movements during the day and a good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. In the past day, the stock price had a range of $12.04 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 4.03% fluctuation. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.18%. Before we discuss good trading levels for Meta, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics we need to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This PE ratio is within a normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Today, let's explore potential day trading levels for Meta. If there is an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $300.31. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $298.57. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as you anticipate a rebound in the stock. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. One of the most recent insider trades involved Newstead Jennifer, who bought and sold a total of 3,350 shares or options in the company. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -16.858. Overall, insiders have purchased 228,212 shares and sold 322,013 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Meta stock a good buy? Despite the positive trend, we believe that Meta stock will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. This is due to several negative signals and some small weaknesses in the technical picture. As a result, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements for the last trading day and found that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, October 26th, we expect Meta stock to open up at $3.55 and start trading at $303.08. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. Also, let us know what your target is for this stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.